Hey you guys, so this is me
And I'm Kylie.
and today we are going to be moving out, so grab a snack and a drink and enjoy.
Coming up.
Made it to our house, so this is the first bedroom. Come Kylie. Okay, so we order our drinks. Now let's get it. Okay.
Well, I thought that was the case for a second.
Yeah.
Can you make me a milkshake? Your mom's a waitress. She on the clock. I bet she goes to the restaurant and expects to eat free too. You know what? When a kid
This is a new car, so I gotta go check if it's electric or if it needs the normal one. I think it does need.
I did actually. I love making cool food.
It's already
I
four?
like it tastes as good as it looks.
It's not a milkshake. That's a mochaccino.
It's amazing.
Honey.
Okay, there. Get it, Kylie.
Do y'all not have a calculator by the register?
It's $16.33.
Yeah, my muela's growing.
0.334 if we're being
My
exact.
muela's growing.
So
She got out.
I doubt that's right. Let me check. Well,
Oh no, he's right. He can make milkshakes and he can do math. Wait, autistic people are capable.
Starting route to house
Okay.
39. Turn left.
Wow.
how'd you do that?
Simple, actually. I've always
In 100 meters.
But I use a little trick to get 20%.
In 3.3 kilometers, turn left.
$5 is.
Bro can't even do 10% of $75. Who has the underdeveloped brain now, huh?
You just move the decimal over.
$7.50?
Yes. And to get 20%, you just double. Now it's 2 times 7. You're
Oh, the
natural.
Snoopy still has the crown.
Oh,
The Snoopy still has the crown.
you could put it on one of your plushies.
Yeah.
You haven't read what's on the crown, bruh.
The computer up front still isn't working.
Oh, I forgot to tell you about
Big, big
Wait,
golden.
It was
What is
simple,
this
actually. I just had to run a command prompt
Okay.
computer terminal and found some front
was it?
files that needed to be restored.
Okay, big guy, we get it. You can do it all. You know, something tells me he's only
In
working at a
2.2
restaurant because he's
kilometers,
a
turn left.
know-it-all. Have the answers to all of life's questions. It's
But
quite
it keeps falling
simple,
like that.
actually.
It was a breeze.
Alright,
It's really small, but you could put on your plush.
How
Yeah.
do you like your shape, Liz?
Now you see why I hired him?
In 1.9 kilometers, turn left.
How could someone with a disability be so smart?
That's what a person would say.
They were all like,
That's what a dumb person would say.
People with autism aren't just as smart as everyone else.
In 0.5 kilometers, speed camera ahead.
Starman just speaking now.
Tessa can't help but feel bad for how bad she's been treating Ralph.
What's that girl doing?
I was forced to fix my bed.
She decides to give
And to fix my
Natalie a
toys.
fair chance. To her surprise, they end up beating all their classmates in the math competition and qualifying for the school-wide contest.
Come on, be for real. Heavenly beat them. Doesn't it do nothing?
In 1.1 kilometers, turn left.
Tessa also takes Heavenly's advice and her project turns out great. Even
We're almost there.
believe how well Tessa does. Tessa starts to see that Heavenly has a lot to offer.
So you don't actually like her for who she is, just what she can offer? You know what? Do better. She's just using her. No, I thought she was
In
cooler.
0.4
Oh my god.
kilometers, speed camera
Go,
ahead.
go, go,
But
go.
outside of class, Tessa and her
Bro,
friends
the
have
pop-
so much
the-
fun hanging
I said pop. The cop's about to pull us over.
And then comes the day of the competition.
I remember when we
Tessa
kept
and
chasing the
Heavenly
car
make it
that
all the
crashed
way
into
to the
us.
final
Yeah,
round.
I recorded all of that.
A week ago, Tessa didn't even know
Are you
what
gonna cut it or
10% of
no?
$75
Yeah, I
was.
cut it. I'm gonna put it into
Doing
2
a
scenes.
math competition? Are you
At the traffic light, turn
But it
left.
went wrong.
the book side middle school are?
Yeah.
At the traffic light, turn kilometers. Your destination is on the left.
Because unboxing no sooner with first response.
We're almost there.
This is
Wait, when does the game start for Spain?
I think, isn't it Sunday?
Wait,
Your destiny.
today?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, yeah, it's Sunday.
Okay, can you get this house, Kylie?
That house?
Yeah. Okay. What are you guys doing? Wait, I thought you guys said
I forgot to tell you.
Yeah, come, Kylie. So we made it. Go. My friend got the keys. Leave the house.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the house.
This is literally the math
This is the house, you guys. Huh? Yeah, you didn't know that?
No.
She said the lady that was going to said
The woman does not exist.
Okay.
okay. So me and my
I
friend
was outside the whole time.
made it
So
to
focus on the TV.
our house. So this is the first bedroom.
Why did I smile like that?
Come, Kylie. We gotta. I'm here. Kylie, I'm here.
Oh.
So this is the first bedroom. Really fancy. This is a bathroom. Can I get the guest bedroom?
For the win, what is 20% of 12?
This is this.
Don't even look at me. Don't even ask me.
Yeah, I am in first person. This is the other bedroom. This is my bedroom. Really? Yeah. I think, isn't there another room? Nah, it's only 2 rooms. So this is the house. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.